Hi, today let's make tasty chicken quesadillas. This is a Mexican dish. Now I've made the same thing with a little bit twist which I've added in. Very simple and easy to make. Now in a pan add in oil, then add in chicken and saute it on high flame. Next you need to add in some basic things like ginger garlic paste and saute it. Doesn't take long, it will be done in 20 minutes. And next I'm adding in some turmeric powder. I'm adding in some salt. Next I'll be adding in some chili powder and then I'll be adding in some garam masala powder. Now mix all of this well, and now I'm adding in some ketchup along with soya sauce. Now toss the chicken very well and see to that the chicken is cooked and coated with all these masalas. As I said, toss it on a high flame. The chicken needs to cook. When the chicken is like 80% cooked, add in chopped capsicum and again give it a toss. Now our chicken mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's make a tasty sauce for this. In a bowl, I'm adding in ketchup along with mayonnaise and then mix it really very well. So our dressing is ready. So our chicken mixture is ready. Our dressing is ready. Now here I've taken tortillas. It's easily available in any supermarket. Otherwise, it's okay. You can take your leftover chapatis or roti, cut it into two halves like this. You can completely play around with the wrap which you want. Now here I've taken it divided 1/2. This is how it looks. Now I'll take one half of it and then what I'll do is I'll spread the generous amount of this dressing on top of it, which is made out of mayonnaise and ketchup. Spread it evenly on each and every end of it. Next I'll be placing in some lettuce leaves as well. This comes together in just few minutes. Very simple, very easy. It's perfect for your snack time, lunch time, dinner, or even when you're traveling, and even for your lunch tiffin box as well. Now I'm adding in the chicken mixture and next I'll be adding in some mozzarella cheese. So load it up with mozzarella cheese. If you want, you can add in more. And then what you need to do is take the other end and just wrap it like this, so it looks like a triangle. So this is what we need to aim at. So this is how it looks. And then what you need to do is repeat the same for all how many ever you want. Look at it, looks beautiful, isn't it? Now I've prepared the same thing for all the remaining wraps. Now that's it. Let's toast it. Now in a pan I've added in a little bit of butter, and then what you need to do is start placing this chicken quesadillas slowly one by one. Now if you're a vegetarian, you can swap it for tofu or paneer or mushroom, completely your choice. Now toast it really very well on both the sides until the cheese turns gooey or melt, and it's completely melted and it's crispy. The quesadillas are crispy. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please do try this recipe and please do let me know your comments below. And as I always say, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.